Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and here again, my autofocus is not focusing. Maybe I'm too far up. I don't know. Will it focuses somewhat. I'm here today to share Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. This is week 28. I am a day late, but I think it's okay. We can still post. Um, so this week I'm doing a 3x5 postcard, um, index card, sorry. And I was just sitting at my desk and I pulled a bunch of papers and ephemera, and I created this little travel um, index card. And um, it's July, it's travel season, it's vacation time, and that was on my mind. We'll be going on vacation soon, and that's why I created this. So in the background I just covered with different types of paper. This is like a remnants of a paper pad. You can see the stitching where you tear the paper off. I kept that. I think it just adds a little texture to the card. I stamped in the background with this uh, red rubber stitching stamp that I have in my stash. And I just layered up a whole bunch of different ephemera from Hobby Lobby. Here's a stamp. I inked the edges with vintage photo and walnut stain. I also even like stamped a little bit on top of the ephemera so it kind of looks grungy and old. Added a lace piece here. This is an old Dollar Tree stickers that I have a bunch of. I had a feeling they were not going to carry these stickers anymore, and I'm so glad I stocked up. I don't use them very often because I don't have a lot of them. I have enough. Let me see. I think I have, like 3 or 4 or maybe more sheets of it left. I think it came with like 2 sheets in a pack. Um, and I knew they weren't going to carry this, so when I saw them, I picked them up. Yeah. So let me know in the comment section if you guys are going on vacation and where. You don't have to tell me exactly where, but like in general state or country, that would be fun. And yeah, I am ready for some vacation time. I am off work and I am going to enjoy it until September. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week and let me know if you're going to travel this summer. So again, thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye now.